ahead. To access the rear tire, you're going to lift up the back of the reflector. Use a 3mm Allen wrench metric to access that hex nut and loosen it. And do the same for here. Get something sharp to lift the front portion of that reflector. Use a 3mm Allen wrench. Once the cover has been removed, set it to the side and make sure to keep all of your screws in the same place. And you'll also need to take off your brake caliper, which is this guy right here. And then again, taking off that portion we discussed a moment ago. And do that for all 4 of those 3mm hex nuts after you've done it for that 5mm hex nut until it's completely unscrewed. And be sure to put those to the side because you will need to use those again. For the other side. Once that's been taken off, you'll be able to remove the tire. Once you've pulled the tire outward, you're going to slide this piece out on both sides. Once you're placing the tire, you're going to go ahead and slide these back on, and you're going to slide those with the guides right back onto the scooter. And you're going to go ahead and replace your hex nuts. Go ahead and, to make it easier, start with that 5mm largest hex nut right in the middle first. You can screw with your hand to start, and then you'll need to use your either hex or / Allen wrench, or if you have a drill, to go ahead and put it back on for both sides. Next, you're going to go ahead and put your brake caliper back on. You're going to slide this back onto the tire. Tightening again with your 5mm hex Allen wrench. And then you can go ahead, should you have a drill, change it to your 3mm Allen wrench. And you can go ahead and do that for all of the rest of those bolts. And again, you can start by hands to place it to make it nice and easy. You can do this all by hand. You do not have to use a drill, but we just find it easiest, and because we have the drill, it's fast to use. Replace the cover. Again, the same way you put it on. Place it onto the scooter. You'll go ahead and pull back your reflector sticker by using something sharp, or if it's still already pushed up, it's nice and easy. You could already have your screws in there, so you could just automatically start screwing in the bolt, or again, have a special place where you can have the bolts so you can screw it in nice and easy.